In 2025, the global investment landscape is changing faster than ever. While traditional markets continue to grow, a wave of emerging economies is positioning itself for massive returns. These regions are home to untapped potential, rising middle classes, and governments pushing forward with bold reforms. Investors who act now could find themselves at the forefront of the next big financial boom. But the question is, which emerging markets should you be watching closely in 2025? Let's explore 5 of the most exciting ones that could change the game. 1. Vietnam, a booming manufacturing hub. Vietnam is quickly becoming one of the hottest investment spots in Asia. Over the past decade, its manufacturing sector has exploded, making it a key player in the global supply chain. With rising costs in China, many companies are moving their production to Vietnam, taking advantage of its low labor costs and skilled workforce. The government is also supporting this growth with policies that make it easier for businesses to operate, like tax incentives and new trade agreements. What makes Vietnam even more appealing is its young population, eager to work and innovate. With exports of electronics, textiles, and machinery growing rapidly, Vietnam is quickly positioning itself as the go-to destination for manufacturing. By 2025, the country's GDP is expected to continue growing, making it an exciting place to invest, especially for those looking to tap into the booming Asian market. 2. India, the digital revolution and growing middle class. India is one of the most exciting markets in the world today thanks to its digital revolution and booming middle class. With over 600 million internet users, India is one of the fastest growing digital economies. The rise of smartphones, affordable data plans, and improved internet infrastructure has led to a surge in e-commerce, fintech, and tech services. Big tech companies, including global giants, are flocking to India to take advantage of this digital shift. Meanwhile, India's middle class is growing rapidly, creating a larger consumer base for products and services. The rise in disposable income and spending power is creating huge opportunities for investors in various sectors, especially in retail, education, and healthcare. By 2025, India is expected to be a $1 trillion digital economy, offering immense growth potential for anyone looking to invest in a future-faced market. 3. Nigeria, Africa's economic powerhouse. Nigeria is often called Africa's economic powerhouse, and for good reason. With its large population of over 200 million people, it's the most populous country on the continent and one of the biggest economies in Africa. Nigeria is rich in natural resources like oil and gas, which play a big role in its economy. But there's more to the story. The country is seeing growth in sectors like fintech, agriculture, and manufacturing. In particular, Nigeria's young population is driving a tech boom, with local startups growing rapidly and attracting international investors. The Nigerian government is working hard to diversify the economy away from oil dependence, focusing on infrastructure, renewable energy, and technology. By 2025, Nigeria could be a key player in the global economy, offering exciting investment opportunities for those looking to tap into Africa's growth. 4. Mexico, a gateway to North America. Mexico is becoming a key player in global trade, and its location makes it even more attractive to investors. Situated right next to the United States, it acts as a bridge between North America and the rest of the world. Thanks to trade agreements like the USMCA, Mexico has opened its doors to more international businesses. As companies look to cut costs and reduce dependence on China, many are moving their manufacturing operations to Mexico. It offers lower production costs, skilled labor, and proximity to the U.S. market. Additionally, Mexico is investing heavily in its tech and renewable energy sectors, making it a great place for forward-thinking investments. With a stable economy, growing middle class, and strong manufacturing base, Mexico's strategic position and expanding industries make it one of the most promising emerging markets to watch in 2025. 5. Egypt, gateway to Africa and the Middle East. Egypt is becoming an investment hotspot, and its location makes it especially important. As a gateway between Africa and the Middle East, it holds a strategic position for trade and business. The Suez Canal, one of the world's most important waterways, further strengthens Egypt's role in global commerce. The country has been focusing on major infrastructure projects like new cities, roads, and energy initiatives to support economic growth. The government is also pushing reforms that encourage foreign investment, particularly in sectors like tourism, energy, and technology. With a young, growing population and an expanding consumer market, Egypt is becoming more attractive to businesses looking to tap into Africa and the Middle East. By 2025, Egypt's ongoing economic development and trade agreements could make it one of the top emerging markets for investors. These emerging markets are full of potential for smart investors in 2025. Keep these regions on your radar, and who knows what opportunities await. Don't forget to subscribe for more valuable insights into the future of global investments. Stay tuned.